Okay, are you ready?
Look at this beautiful plant.
It's almost time for our meeting. I'm really excited to talk about expanding our business globally. Swanson Global seems like a great company to work with.
I totally agree.
Are you ready?
I'll be right there.
Hey, Rebecca.
Hi, Ravi. I just wanted to check in before our meeting with Sarah and Tim from Healthy Earth Solutions. How are you doing?
I'm great, and I'm ready for this meeting.
Okay, I'm going to log on and start the meeting now.
Okay, I'll join the meeting now too.
It's nearly 5 o'clock. I'm joining the meeting.
Let's set up this plant so that they can see it. I want to show off our office.
Looks good, Tim. Oh, we're connecting. Ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, here we go. Hello there.
Hello, Sarah and Tim. Are we all here? Can you all see and hear me?
Yes, we can see and hear you, Rebecca.
Sorry, I can't see you. Let me just try. Oh, now I can see you.
Wonderful. So, why don't we take a moment to introduce ourselves again?
Sounds good.
Yes.
So, I'm Sarah, co-founder and COO at Healthy Earth Solutions, and with me in the office here is Tim.
That's me. And I'm also a co-founder and the CEO.
Hello, Tim and Sarah.
Good evening and good morning.
Hello.
And I'm Rebecca, management consultant at Swanson Global Management. I'm based in our Shanghai office. And I think you remember Ravi.
Hi, I'm Swanson's management consultant in Milan, Italy.
Great to see you, Ravi.
You too, Sarah. Hello, Tim.
What's up, Ravi? Oops. Sorry about that. That's my phone. Oh, sorry.
It's no problem.
Tim and I are very excited about expanding globally. This is a big day for us.
We're excited too.
Okay, my phone is off now.
Fantastic. Let's get started.